What's up, guys? This little video I just put together. We are putting a headliner in this car. As you can see, this is obviously afterwards. I don't really have much content of before, but you can go back and look at a previous video to see how bad it was. Bad. New visors, the whole 9 yards. Perfect, right? There is a little spot here where it's hanging down, but I mean, I'm happy with it, right? So yep, so this isn't necessarily a step-by-step, but I pretty much just used LMR video. I did a couple things that LMR didn't do, and likewise, but pretty much just used their video. But yeah, we went from a pretty rough headliner to a really nice headliner, and believe it or not, the interior of this car is probably one of the nicest parts about it. The body's pretty beat up, but it's a driver. I enjoyed it, so that's all that matters. So yeah, we'll get in the video. Before we get started, I sped this up a lot faster than usual just because it was kind of boring to watch. So just because I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up, but we have placed a painter's tarp out to try to get rid of some of all the mess that this 6-year-old headliner is what it calls, or yeah, 36. As you can see here, I'm having to fight that sunroof bracket a lot, so great start. Oh man. Somebody didn't take into account for the insulation to fall down and get all over his back seat, and then proceed to just fall apart as I pick it up. So that's what I had to do. It was not very fun having to vacuum this up because it just literally fell apart. My seat was covered in it. I pretty much had brown chocolate leather seats at this point. The old headliner out, what's left of it pretty much just all fell apart. Probably staples everywhere because I helped use staples to help hold it up. But yep, race car. Got a nice new TMI headliner here. Dad put some neoprene tape around the sunroof inserts just to make a little gasket to seal it. So one of the carriage bolts had stripped out, so Dad made a little washer to fit on another bolt to prevent it from happening again. While Dad was working on getting that bolt out, I went ahead and started on the sun visors here. As you can see, the old one is pretty rough, and these did have mirrors, but they were falling down, and the covers had fell off years ago. This is straight from LMR's video. Get you a little razor blade. So I just want to put a little tiny hole here. I had about that much room left. In the bin. Now for the fun part, all of the training. Before we get too far into it, as you can see the headliner is mostly in now, and LMR just said to just take this top screw out here, and I just loosen that a little bit, just so your A-pillar can move, not to fully take it out. Well, there's actually a second one here, but mine are all broke, so that's what we did there. And then they also recommended that you take all the screws out of that. I didn't do that. Those were already out. I took the seatbelt bolts out just enough we could get the headliner in. And yeah, I took that piece out right there. So overall, it actually turned out very nice, for my standards at least. I'm very pleased with it. The visors, good quality. Of course, I didn't get the mirrors or any, the powered visors with the mirrors or anything, but overall very pleased. It was a lot better than what I had, and yeah, I mean, it ain't perfect, but it was my first time doing a headliner, which Dad helped me, you know, sign on it, but yeah, very pleased with it. Get that golden hour sunset coming on, but yeah, it turned out really nice. I'm very happy with it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm not sure if this will come out for April's video or if this will be March's, but if this is March's, then there will be a second video coming out for Ponies and Smokies prep. It's just kind of a hodgepodge of stuff I've been doing, but and if it's in April, then you guys may have already seen that. So yeah, But yeah, I'm happy. The dome light sucked, and I hated that the mirror blocked us fighting it so hard. But Dad ended up having to get a little belt sounder out and go at it. But yeah, we got it in, and yeah, so very happy with it. Interior's dirty, or I'd do a full showcase, but you know, it's whatever. So thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you.